Product designers across the plastics industry are demanding clean weld lines on delicate parts with intricate designs. These mandates require intricate precision. Emerson's laser welding employs a patented process called simultaneous through transmission infrared. Using fiber optic bundles, light is delivered from laser diodes to the waveguide, a patented, custom-tailored tool that directs the laser at a precise target line to join the plastic. This process provides a quicker weld while also opening up a wide variety of creative designs and is ideally suited for complex, contoured 3D parts. This process protects from marking, is non-intrusive, and results in a clean weld free of particulate that's scalable for small and large parts. Emerson's laser technology delivers outstanding precision to the most complex welds.